everyone, welcome back to the new video on this channel. Today I will be guiding you how to fix green line on phone screen Android. So in this tutorial you will be able to learn how to fix green line on phone screen and get your phone screen back to normal. So first thing first, you need to restart your phone. So restarting your phone may sound a basic trick, but it often works wonder. So in order to do that, you need to hold on the power button, and here you can easily find the option of restart. You can simply hold on the button and swipe to the upward of the screen to restart your phone. Once you have restarted your phone, the second thing what you need to do is head into the settings of your mobile device, and on the settings, tap on the search bar and type in the software update. Once you have searched for it, you can see the software update option. Simply tap on it. So when you get access to this page, you will be able to find out download and install option if you have any updates. For now, I don't have that option because I already have the updated software on my Android device. So after you find the option of download and install, you can simply tap on that and easily download the latest version of the software. Once you have done that, this will hopefully fix the issue of green line on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.